Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are gonna discuss about the living things, and not only the living things, also about the surroundings and how we are polluting our Mother Earth and all. So I'm gonna tell you what are polluting and all the living things, what's happening to us and all. So first I'm gonna tell you that before like 500 years ago or 400 or 100 years ago, this our earth was not even polluted. It was so clean, it was full of greenery, so many plants, so many trees, many farms, and the lakes were not dirty, they were clean and fresh, and even rivers, seas, oceans, and there were no endangered species at that time. So in the present world, you know what's happening? Many people, they're cutting down the trees and many other stuff for getting wood and other stuff like metal and all. Actually, we won't get metal by cutting a tree. We'll get it underneath the ground like a treasure. So, in the present world, people are polluting the oceans and lakes and ponds. You know what's happening to the animals? Animals are dying, they're not even able to breathe. And sometimes, you know what we do? Do you know a plastic bag? We throw it inside the ocean or the pond or the lake, and as we know, inside plastic we can't breathe. And that the same thing happens to the marine animal. They can't breathe and they will die. Not only one plastic cover, not only in one pond, not only in one river, in every oceans. Like, we polluted so much. Many people are predicting the future that after 50 years there won't be any life forms on earth. Many people are saying like that. So we should stop polluting. So, our surrounding used to be very beautiful in the olden times. But now we are cutting trees. We are throwing some garbage. And we are killing some animals. Like people, the hunters, they kill the tigers for the jacket. Yeah, you see many jackets, they're in the design of a tiger skin. Yeah, that's a real skin because the hunter kills the tigers. Tiger is one of the most endangered species. Not the actual tiger, the white tiger. Even the actual tiger is a little bit endangered. Now I'm gonna tell you what is endangered. Endanger means that the species are very less now. That means there are very less species left. That particular species gonna go, means it's not gonna survive. There are gonna be no more species like that. That is what called endangered. I know you're like scared about the future, but we have to stop this pollution, and we are the 95% cause due to the pollution and the earthquakes and all. Yeah, it happens because of us. Yeah, just imagine that earth is a living thing and we are just like poking it. Just imagine so that you can understand the pain. So you just think that as if, like, think that your tummy is the earth. Okay, your tummy is the earth, and when something goes inside your stomach and something very spiky like the fish's bone, after we eat it, many times the fish's bone goes inside our stomachs and it pokes. Yeah, the same thing happens with earth. It pains a lot. Yeah, just feel it. You'll understand how painful it is. Like in many people, only like many places like Telangana and Maharashtra, these are all very polluted. They're like that's the reason why we are getting diseases and all. Like Andhra Pradesh, Yeah, that is where I am from. I was born over there, but I am in Telangana now. Andhra Pradesh, it's like it's filled with greenery. Some part of Andhra Pradesh is a little bit polluted, but Andhra Pradesh, it has crops, it has fields, and it is also so green. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you something that, see, just look at the actual map of the earth in the present. In the present, like, okay, not like that because we can't get a map like that. Just imagine as if you went to the space, and when you go to space, you see on the lands, you see many places are like brown in color. It should actually be in green in color. You know why is it in brown in color? Because we are cutting down trees and all. As we know, there is very less percent of land on earth. Like, yeah, 72% of the earth is ocean, means what is water. Land is very less on the earth, so we need to protect land, and also the oceans, because even living things live in the oceans. So just understand the pain. Like, you think that, just imagine that as if you're trapped into a plastic cover. When you're trapped into a plastic cover, could you breathe? No. Could you feel relaxed? No. Could you feel that you're not gonna die? No. The same thing happens to the fish. See, we can call out for help if you are trapped in a plastic cover or anything. But fishes, they can't talk. They don't have any communicating systems. So if they're trapped inside a plastic cover, that means they're gonna die, or in some way they can escape. The and you know something interesting? Animals. Many people think that animals, they're not like humans, so they just kill animals for their skin and their speciality for non-vegetarians, like people eat chicken, mutton. These are all like goats and chickens. We are killing those animals to eat them, but we should not, because even they have lives. So we need to take care of our Mother Earth. So that's it for today. Goodbye. See you at the next video of mine.